Hello YouTube, welcome to another unboxing experience review with me, Ost. Today we are taking a look at the experience and reviewing the experience of unboxing the Corsair Void Pro RGB wireless premium headset with Dolby headphone 7.1. So, as you may know by now, they don't always make it easy to open, so I have prepared myself with a knife, and with this knife I will open the box. And we also have Lucy and Oliver eating salad in the background. Lucy is our newest family member, and to open we try to slide the knife. This is more difficult than I imagine, actually, but we will figure it out somehow. Okay, so this one is open, and now this one is open, and always remember to fold the knife back in, or there may be casualties. Alright, so we open the box. We are greeted with a not very reflective yellow surface of some sort. Can't really use it for anything, I suppose. And then, okay, there is, are you supposed to? Yeah, this box is supposed to come out somewhere. I think if I do it like this, it should be able to come out. Somehow. Or is there stuff on the bottom? No, there isn't. There is no, I don't really understand any of the things going on in the background, so it's kind of pointless.
Yeah, stick your finger in the hole.
That didn't really help. It doesn't help. You stick your finger in the hole, but now we're getting somewhere. And the rest of the box is empty, so there's this yellow box is all that we have left to work with. And here is another hole, which I suppose you're supposed to stick your finger in. Oh, but there's more of these. Great. I guess we're using the yellow knife for the yellow surface to get rid of that. And then we open, and here we are greeted with what appears to be the actual headset. And I would assume, since, okay, squiggly, squeaky noises. I would assume, since it's wireless, that there's no wires that it attaches to, and it doesn't. But there is, however, there's twist ties. They just really overdid this whole packaging thing. Like, how are you supposed to unpack things if it's all attached in such difficult fashion that you can't even, like, it's very unintuitive in pretty much every way imaginable. But finally we get this thing off, and the twist ties are still on here. We can put those in the box. Let's see. there we go. I'm not gonna bother with this plasticky thing right now because it's you can see the entire headset. It's I might even leave this on because it's reflective and we all know how important that is. So here we have some cords, I imagine, and it's even more wrapped in how in the world is this? How did they think that this is practical? Like,
It's fantastic.
is it fantastic?
Wrapped in plastic.
Well, they might as well have put the entire thing in plastic. And as you can see, the rabbits here, they agree with me that this whole thing is just, it's ridiculous. It's a cable that they have wrapped in a plastic. I'm gonna use the goddamn knife again. But of course, be very careful when there's animals, because you don't want to be hurting any of the animals. So you gotta make sure that they are out of the way and then fold the knife back in again. So we finally, at least they didn't seal the actual bag, so that's nice. Then we have Aurora here safeguarding the rest of the stuff. Okay, this is it's a micro, no, is it USB-C? I think.
That's micro.
Yeah, it's micro USB. And it's got this stylish yellowish thing on it. It's kind of like a rubbery feeling, so that's cool. And we get, oh, this is nice. This I'm not gonna bother opening it because you can clearly see what it is. It's a USB stick, I think. No, it's not a USB. I thought at first that, okay, this is the USB stick with the drivers or something, but I think this is the dongle. It's the transceiver or the dongle for. You're gonna have to move a little bit. This is such an animal-inspired video, and then you get waste electrical and electronic equipment, and then it is Void Pro RGB wireless. It's like some sort of instruction thing, and here you get, I don't know if it's an extra thing for the cats and the rabbits. They do enjoy the boxes. This is for the microphone. It's the microphone. It's the foam piece that you get for putting on the microphone. So that's kind of cool. And it's not. This is it basically. You have to put it on here because it's not an extra one. It's the one that you're supposed to use, and then you get your standard. I think it's nice of them to include candy in the box. I always enjoy eating these. I always get sick though, like for a week afterwards. I don't know why. I don't know what do not consume mean. I mean, I'm not consuming it, I'm eating it. So yeah, that's basically that. This, I'll have to say, this is probably one of the messiest unboxings that I have ever done, but I hope that what you have learned from the, like, if you're planning to buy this yourself, now you know that what you're signing up for. But the product is very nice, very high quality and all that stuff, but the packaging in the unboxing, like the unintuitive, just, I don't know, I mean, it's a 3. It could have been worse. I mean, they could have wrapped the entire thing in shrink wrap and then glued it together or something, but they didn't do that. But it's pretty much a 3 because it's unintuitive, it's tedious, And yeah, it's not a very good unboxing experience, I would say. So 3 out of 10. That's it for this video. And I also make 8-bit music if you're into that sort of thing, and I've put a link in the video description if you're into that sort of thing. Do check me out, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.